invited by Pastor Giray. But I insisted to come.
Ladies and gentlemen, an honor and privilege to be invited as a speaker on your church anniversary. And I am an ambassador for Christ. I am a missionary. After my many mission trips as an individual, mentioned by our Lord Jesus Christ 5 times in 3 different places in Jerusalem, in any lost country there is in the world. The response to this incident must truly have been very grievous to our Lord Jesus Christ. It clearly shows that